Joe, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this nice summer glow makeup look, obviously. And yeah, let's just get started with the video. Hey, hello. So I already primed my face and my eyelids and did my eyebrows, as you can see. I used the e.l.f. hydrating face primer as my face primer, obviously, because it hydrates, so it'll also give me like a boost of a glow. Next, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I will be using the color Kanye. I can't say it, but this color, and we're gonna be putting that in our crease because we just want our eye makeup to be like really nice and not too bright or not too dramatic, so it can glow. Okay, now we're going to take Low Blow, which is like that brown color, and swipe it on our brush just to put it on the lid. And now we're just gonna take a little bit more of Kanye, I don't know, and just put it more in our crease to kind of darken it up a little bit. We want to keep our crease very warm, so we're not gonna use any of the darker reds. Okay, and that's it for our eyes as of right now. And next we're just gonna take. I'm just gonna take my LA Pro Grow Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa, and I'm just gonna like place this under my eyes a little bit, like any other places I want to conceal. Because it's summer, we're not gonna do too much face makeup because it's a little bit too hot for that. We're not trying to have it all sweat off. Just gonna take my e.l.f. brush and just. Now I'm gonna take my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder and just brush it all over my face to give it like a nice little base and kind of like block out all the oils. You want to be glowy but not oily, but then again, can people actually tell the difference? And I'm gonna take this old CoverGirl blush that I've had for a while and just like put a little bit of that on my cheeks because you want to be glowy, and the part of looking glowy is being a little bit rosy, like adding some color to yourself. So I'm getting my Strobing Globe 4-shade palette by Academy Color, and and I will be using Sunset today. So first thing, I'm gonna be applying it in the arches of my eyebrow. Glow, and then because the brush has some more, we're just gonna do the other side. And now we're just gonna take Sunset again on this small little brush and do it on our inner corner lip, in the inner corner of our eyes. And now we're gonna be using the same little brush to apply the highlight on our cheeks, and then we're gonna go back with this blush brush and like kind of blend them in together so it's like one seemingly nice glow blushed color or whatever. Okay, and now we're gonna go back in with this little eyeshadow brush and put a little bit of highlight on our nose, just a little bit. I'm gonna use my Lash Sensational by Maybelline. This is the Curvitude one. Just apply that on my upper and lower lashes. And now I'll be getting this just matte basic brown lipstick and applying it on my lips. Okay, but because we want to glow, we're gonna be be making it turn into lip gloss by just getting this clear lip gloss and dabbing a little bit on my lips. This is a great tip if you have like your favorite lipstick but you want it to become your favorite gloss. Just get clear lip gloss and now for one last use of this highlight, we are just gonna put it right on here on the I don't remember what this is called, like the crown of your lip. And then voila, you are glowing, guys. I'm glowing and you'll be glowing too, just like me. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll definitely be having more makeup videos for you guys, so give this a great thumbs up. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.
Cat made a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things